friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about how can we off vibrate on ring setting in our Realme phone. Guys, you want to off your vibrate on ring setting, so friends you can off it. And guys, now let's see how to vibrate on ring in our Realme phone. In this video, I will show you guys. So before starting video, friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So when first of all we will on our phone setting to off our vibrate on ring setting. So friends, you can see your sound and vibration setting. Friends, tap here. So guys, if your phone ring on vibrate, so guys you want to off the setting, you can off from here. So guys, you can see vibrate on ring setting right side guys, you can see this icon, red icon, and guys you can see any yellow and icon. So friends, you will have to click here to off your vibrate on ring setting. So your phone will not vibrate while ringing. As you can see vibrate on ring setting as we have off in our Redmi phone. So like that guys, you want to off, so you can off from here your sound and vibration settings. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.